Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, remember that this video reflects my personal experience with the product. In this video, we're taking a look at Zendesk, found at https://www.zendesk.com. Zendesk is a powerful customer service platform designed to streamline communication and improve support experiences for businesses of all sizes. It provides a suite of tools that facilitate interactions across various channels, including email, chat, social media, and phone. This omnichannel approach allows businesses to centralize their customer support efforts, ensuring a more consistent and efficient experience for both customers and agents. One of Zendesk's core features is its ticketing system. This system efficiently organizes and manages customer inquiries, ensuring that no message gets lost in the shuffle. Agents can easily track, prioritize, and resolve issues within a unified interface. Furthermore, Zendesk offers robust automation capabilities, allowing businesses to automate repetitive tasks, such as ticket routing and follow-up messages. This automation frees up agents to focus on more complex issues and personalized customer interactions. Beyond ticketing, Zendesk provides a comprehensive knowledge base feature. This allows businesses to create a self-service portal where customers can find answers to common questions, troubleshooting guides, and other helpful resources. A well-maintained knowledge base can significantly reduce the volume of incoming support tickets, further streamlining the support process. Moreover, Zendesk offers robust reporting and analytics tools, providing valuable insights into customer interactions and support performance. These data-driven insights can help businesses identify areas for improvement and optimize their support strategies. Zendesk's flexibility is a key advantage, offering customizable workflows and integrations with numerous third-party applications. This adaptability allows businesses to tailor the platform to their specific needs and seamlessly integrate it with their existing software ecosystem. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Zendesk's scalable solutions can grow alongside your business. With its comprehensive feature set, focus on automation, and commitment to providing a seamless customer experience, Zendesk stands as a leading solution in the customer service software landscape. Check them out at https://www.zendesk.com.